Automarshal is a reliable and accurate system for vehicle access control and monitoring based on the ANPR technology. The modularity and extensive functionality of the system allow to set it up to the tasks of any facility. The main window of Automarshal displays video from connected cameras, the recognition log, the image, the number plate of the vehicle captured, as well as detailed information about it. If necessary, additional surveillance cameras can be connected to save freeze frames of the vehicle from different angles. The recognition log keeps all the general information about vehicles. The columns to be displayed and their order in the log can be easily set up in the context menu. Double-clicking on an entry in the recognition log opens an editing window, where the user can manually enter additional information about the vehicle and see its passages. The search box in the recognition log allows to quickly filter vehicles in the database by the lists, recognition statuses, territories and dates, and find the vehicle of interest. For all data available in the system, a quick templated report can be generated. It's also possible to set up a customized report in the configurator. The Automarshal software enables to create an infinite number of vehicle access lists. The list can contain the data entered manually or exported from the XML, CSV and XLSX files. In addition to the vehicle number plate, any extra information can be entered to the list at the user's discretion. Automarshal enables to set up an individual vehicle pass, limited by a certain date and time of access, validity period, and number of passages allowed. It is possible to create pass templates to speed up user experience. Especially for logistics or warehouse complexes, territory marking was added to Automarshal. For each tenant, a particular territory within the complex area is assigned and the required number of parking spaces is allocated. It helps to control traffic flow and monitor the tenant's compliance with the terms of the lease. Automarshal allows creating directories. The system will automatically substitute the data contained in the directory to the additional fields of the recognition log once the number plate is recognized or manually entered. This significantly saves time on entering known data about the vehicle. Automarshal can perform user-defined actions. For example, open the barrier, display messages on the LED panel, and many other actions. The actions and conditions of their execution are set in the trigger editing window. Automarshal is a modular system which can be conveniently configured to meet any business requirements. Safe access to various data and secure system management can be ensured by means of user role differentiation. Besides standard roles which are not editable, customized roles can be created in Automarshal to grant a configurable set of permissions. For instance, property owners in the apartment building can be granted the permission to create and manage visitor passes of their guest vehicles with all other permissions disabled. Automarshal system offers a set of basic and additional software modules. Basic modules are included in the software by default. Additional modules can be included in the license at the user's request and should be paid in accordance with the valid price list. Basic software modules include sending notifications, mailing reports, exporting recognized number plates via HTTP and exporting data to disk. Tarification module for parking applications is also the basic one. It allows to flexibly set up tariffs for different access lists, vehicle types or time periods. The system automatically calculates the cost of parking and generates a receipt for payment. The basic version of Automarshal can be expanded with the additional software modules. They enable using RFID tags and access cards, controlling external devices, barriers, traffic lights and other equipment, linking the front number plate of the truck with the rear number plate of the trailer, measuring speed and much more. Automarshal software is integrated with the video surveillance systems, access control and management systems, software for parking lots, car washes and car services, weight and dimension control systems and applications for apartment complexes and cottage communities. The system compiles statistics on the number of passages by all vehicles or a particular vehicle over the selected time period. The Automarshal web client enables to remotely work in the software via the web browser or using any mobile device. The web client ensures remote video surveillance real-time viewing of the recognition log and searching against the recognition log, remote management of access lists and visitor passes, report generation and viewing statistics. Download Automarshal demo from the automarshal.net website and test it for free within 15 days. For more details concerning the operation and purchase of Automarshal software, please contact our managers.